Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy a mutual fund using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I go straight into my RBC Direct Investing account. From there, I head down to the bottom and tap on the yellow button, then select Place Order. When I'm looking for a mutual fund, one easy way I've found is to browse through RBC's available options directly. A lot of their mutual funds start with RBF, so that's usually what I look for. Once I spot one that interests me, I tap on it and I can confirm it's a mutual fund by the MF label on the side. For this example, I just pick one like an RBC Income Fund, but honestly, this works the same way for any mutual fund available on the platform. After selecting it, I can see the initial investment requirement, which is typically required to get started. Once that's done, I just choose my account, review everything, and proceed with the purchase directly through the app. It's actually a pretty smooth and simple process once you've done it once or twice. That's exactly how I go about buying a mutual fund using RBC's mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Mutual funds diversification, risk management, portfolio allocation, long-term investing, compound growth, financial planning, asset classes, equity income, balance strategy, performance fees, liquidity, market trends, investor behavior, economic outlook, retirement goals, wealth building, stability, consistency, fundamentals analysis, diversification benefits, risk tolerance, investment horizon, portfolio rebalancing.